Welcome to our channel. Reviving an old laptop's performance is entirely possible through software optimizations and maintenance tasks that cost nothing but improve speed dramatically. Step 1. Back up your important data before making any changes to ensure you don't lose files during the optimization process. Step 2. Uninstall programs you no longer use by reviewing your installed applications and removing anything unnecessary that's consuming resources. Step 3. Disable startup programs that slow down boot time by opening Task Manager and disabling applications that don't need to launch automatically. Step 4. Run a full antivirus scan to remove malware that may be consuming system resources and slowing down your laptop significantly. Step 5. Clean up temporary files and system junk using the built-in disk cleanup tool in Windows or equivalent utilities on other operating systems. Step 6. Disable visual effects and animations by adjusting performance settings to favor speed over appearance. Step 7. Upgrade your web browser to a lighter alternative like Firefox or Brave if you're using resource-heavy browsers, or at least disable unnecessary extensions. Step 8. Check for Windows updates and install them, as updates often include performance improvements and security fixes. Step 9. Adjust your power plan to high performance mode, which prevents the system from throttling performance to save battery. Step 10. Consider installing a lightweight Linux distribution if your laptop is very old and Windows is simply too heavy for the hardware. Your old laptop is now running significantly faster without spending money on hardware. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.